Let's dive into the Sources dashboard in Paradime's Radar Suite. This tool offers valuable insights into the freshness and health of your data sources, ensuring reliability of your downstream analytics process. The dashboard splits into two sections, the Overview section and the Detailed section. Let's start with the Overview section. At the top of this dashboard, you will find high-level metrics about the number of fresh sources, sources with warnings, stale sources, and errored sources. This enables you to quickly spot potential issues and monitor overall freshness trends over time, thereby maintaining or enhancing data reliability. Next up, we have the current source table status details. This provides information for each source table, including the count of pass, worn, and erred statuses. This granular visibility into individual source tables makes it easier to identify which tables require attention. Utilize the search function to narrow down your sources and the drop-down menu to prioritize maintenance and troubleshoot specific tables. At the bottom of the page, you will find charts like Source Tables Freshness Status Daily, which tracks daily freshness results across source tables, showing pass and error counts. This daily overview of data freshness evolution helps you monitor fluctuations, spot anomalies, and respond to issues as they occur. Now, let's transition to the Detailed section of the dashboard. Here, you can filter your sources by date range and by individual source. Based on your filter selections, you will find charts like the Current Table Freshness Status, which displays past and error counts of tables within the selected source. This in-depth look at table performance for a specific source helps you determine which tables need immediate attention to maintain data reliability. As you scroll down, you will find the Table Data Source Freshness Status, which provides detailed information for each table, including freshness criteria, status, and last load times. This table-specific insight enables proactive maintenance by identifying tables nearing warning or error thresholds. At the bottom of the page, you will find charts like Source Table Freshness Pass Rate over time, which helps you evaluate trends and source performance, helping you measure the effectiveness of optimization efforts and identify persistent issues. Additionally, we have the Table Source Table Freshness Results Daily by Status. This tool provides a daily breakdown of source table performance, allowing you to identify specific days with higher error rates and respond accordingly. By using the Sources dashboard, you can effectively manage data freshness, ensure source reliability, and maintain data quality across your pipeline. Begin your exploration today to enhance your data accuracy.